We are in the Tennessee Ion Beam Materials Lab. We want to find out what materials are the best for various types of radiation environment. You can get some fundamental insight by running experiments over samples that are millimeters in dimension here in our facility. It'd take you a day to run the experiment, and it would take you 2 months to analyze it. It was painful. Now, fast forward, we can do that analysis using the machine learning tools that are available through Theia Scientific. It'll give us that real-time feedback on how the material is evolving.
I've been working with annotating visual data, mostly helium bubbles, so I draw circles around every single helium bubble I see. There's hundreds of bubbles on every picture. I've spent hours upon hours doing that. Theiascope can just identify them way faster than I could.
It saved us so much time and energy. It's been even so helpful that we've gone back to old data sets that we collected 10, 12 years ago and rerun those videos. There's actually nuances that we were missing before because we weren't analyzing every frame, and now we can.
I was given a data set that had been sitting for years, just data sitting uselessly. If you run it through Theiascope, it identified 200 bubbles in, 20 seconds? Theia Scientific is great.
As soon as our microscope was on, one of the first additions we did to our microscope was the Theia Scientific system. It's really easy to use, really simple. It was really fast to incorporate it in. The machine learning aspect of it really speeds up the tedious aspects of the work so that we can focus on the real science aspects of it.